Hey everybody. Well, I've moved houses, so obviously I've moved my shop, but had a couple people ask me if I'd make a video for the new shop, so here we go. This was a two-car garage, and it's the wife's side. Sorry, we're still unpacking. I built this wall here. Everything you've seen, I've pretty much built. I'm not done with the drywall yet, so cut me a little slack. Here's my door I built, and I wood burned the EGA in there. Had to have the EGA. This here is working latch. Go like that to open it up. Come on inside. And this is that working latch. Bar goes into either side of the door there. And it locks. Got your little peephole. See who's a knocking. But there's the entrance to the shop. And I got my AC that I've always wanted inside my shop. It's been real nice this summer. And a little blower fan there to help kick it into the rest of the shop. And there's the original workbench. I made some little upgrades to the workbench. Of course, I got the drawers that I just added. I just got random hardware, my router bits, and got a little spot over here for my extra accessories for my Dremel. I got a pegboard. Oh, gotta show you. Pull the nail out. A little secret tray there. Not secret anymore, but I just thought that was cool. And put the nail back in. There you go. Alright, got the pegboard. Got all my chisels and files hung up there on the pry bar. Got some extra stuff I just haven't found places for yet. I'm working on it. Got corded tools. Of course, got this little pull out. I got my sawhorses up top there stored. This is all wood storage, the rest of it wood and metal. I had to mount me a fan up here because it was getting damned hot, and it'll swivel and go all the way wherever I'm working in the shop. I got my joiner table here. We're doing most of my work, so I've got a couple little quick accessories if I need to do something while I'm over here working. I don't have to run all the way back over there and stop, trip over a bunch of things on my way. Because normally when I'm working, I got shit everywhere. I got all my clamps up here. I got wood storage. This over here, this is for 4 foot and longer. I've put over here. This rack here is 4 foot to 2 foot. Only because it doesn't go any further than 2 foot wide. Or it won't close up any closer than 2 foot. And that's 2 foot and under. And it's supposed to be 2 shelves there. And it's just so damn piled up right now. I gotta go through there and throw a bunch of that shit away and start over. And over here on this shelf, I got a slide drawer full of small wood pieces, some metal pieces, some more metal pieces, some of my flat leftovers, and boards from a spool that are rounded. Don't have a whole lot of use for, but I'm sure I'll use them for something. I got my table saw, and I got it lined up to where as I cut, it'll follow the damn joiner table there. Give me some extra support, because what I've been doing is I've been taking those 6x6s and cutting them up, milling them out, and that's actually what built this entire wall right here, was cut up 6x6s. I cut them down to basically 2x2s and built that whole wall just using lumber or leftover lumber from the job site. So I got my shop vac there, but I got dust collection down there. There's the hoses for it. I'll come over here to the miter station and built me a little hood there so that try to keep most of the dust back there and not out here, and it will clear all the way around. This whole thing pivot through there, never touch. So there you go. Then I got my air compressor down there, my spool, air compressor accessories. Go dogs. This here's dust collection. So I got the leaf blower up there. The top part of the barrel here comes in, swirls around, drops down through a center divider into the bottom of the bucket with the big stuff. The dust comes up through the port and out through the bag, and the bag collects all the dust. And it works pretty damn good. I broke my speed control knob off of it, but I did have my speed control knob sitting right here. I don't know if you can see it, but when it started, that thing sucked down on there. It's got some good suction now. Then I got my drill press, got the damn bandsaw, belt sander, got all my drill bits in here. That's what I do. Got my drill bit sharpener up there. Fold it right on out. Get what you need. And of course I had to get fancy with the drill bit holder. Everything's all labeled. Got your paddle bits, got your Forstner bits, then regular drill bits. One lonely little unit bit down here. I don't have it all put away and stacked up nice and neat yet, but it'll get there. Right, there's drill bits there. And I've always got a project going, so there's my projects that I'm in the middle of right now. A couple of them. A little extra workspace. I added the tape measure in there so that do a quick tape if I need to measure something while I'm sitting here working on this area. And every section's got its own light, so I don't have to light up the whole damn place when I'm just working in one little area. But that's the shop in a nutshell. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. Take care. Almost forgot to show y'all one thing. That there's all my cordless tools up there. Let me unplug it. I got your drill bits, or your drills. Circular saw, sawzall, jigsaw. Got all your batteries down below. Those clips come from Amazon for, I don't know, they weren't that expensive. They're pretty cheap for a bunch of them. Then got all your chargers up top. And I got it rigged up. And you just need that one extension cord come down. Plug it on in, and there's your power. Powers up all the chargers. Now what you don't want to do is you don't want to go spinning this thing when the damn thing's plugged in, because you ain't got that much cord wrapped up there. But I just took an old spool and took all the guts out of it. Made a couple dividers up top. You can see the hanger. And all the cords wrapped around the 4 metal stobs that go through that hold the spool together. But thought I'd show y'all that too.